guys, welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe. You know, glass has been part of sublimation world for a long time and for good reason. It captures light beautifully, shows details, and always gives your print that sleek and premium feel. In today's video, we are diving into 3 sublimation glass products that can turn ordinary designs into stunning decors and take your design to the next level. All the sublimation blends showing in this video can be sublimated with our Prisma Autumn Flat Heat Press Galaxy 105HS. Let's start with one of my favorites, the LED glass photo panel. Both the round and square versions come with a solid wood base, sturdy anti-slip, and designed to keep your glass photo panel perfectly in place. But what really makes it special is that built-in LED base. Once you switch it on, your design just glows. Plus, it's USB rechargeable. You will get about 5 hours of battery life per charge, so it's easy to move around and portable enough to fit anywhere. You can print edge to edge, which means no white borders, just pure, vibrant color from corner to corner. The coating on the tempered glass makes every detail crisp and vivid. It's also super easy to print, no need to mirror design, just press. Let's move to photo panel made for the wall. It's made with 2mm tempered glass. The thinner glass doesn't just look good, it also helps with heat conduction, giving you even and consistent results every time you print. Once your print's done, it's simple to hang. We also have smaller ornaments. They come in 2 finishes, frosted and glossy. Both are made from 4mm tempered glass. The frosted look is perfect for people who love something cozy and sentimental, while the glossy finish attracts customers who want bright and eye-catching decor. LOPO's glass scissors is made to impress, inspire, and increase your sales. Follow us for more sublimation tips, products, demos, and inspiration to grow your business with LOPO. See you next time!